Once in a millennium, a few great people walk the face of earth and leave their mark eternally. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, better known as the Mahatma, was one of them, who made an immeasurable impact on humanity to follow. His heart, that grieved for all equally like a father to all children alike, earned him the title Bapu. A symbol for freedom and non-violence, Bapu's legacy is still today an influence to anyone who wants to build a better world. There is so much to learn from the man who showed the true value of simple living and high thinking.
Hello everyone, this is Anshu Jain from Qatar Day, and today on this auspicious occasion of 151st birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, we have chosen Bapu's best inspirational quotes and are going to be analyzing it for us to grasp this man's thoughts about life and its philosophy. A man is but the product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. How we navigate through life and how we feel depends largely on our thoughts. Our thoughts are immensely powerful. They determine our feelings, decisions, and actions. Our thoughts play a dominant role in defining our lives. If one's intent is good, his actions will bring him good, ultimately providing him the good in life. So be positive and you will achieve everything that you desire in life. To believe in something and not to live it is dishonest. This is more closer to what we say, practice what we preach. What we merely preach is in other words called pretense. Where there is love, there is life. The love towards his country made a man walk half naked with a stick without retaliating to a single beat, holding hard the truth and the truth alone to get his country the freedom. And what else can we say here that where there is love, there is life? There is more to life than simply increasing its speed. It's not the number of moments one lived that makes the difference. It's the life lived in each moment that makes the difference. Doing things faster with great intensity is good, but it's not the quantity of action that makes the difference, but the quality of our action that makes the difference. After all, content is the king. Weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. It takes a lot of courage to forgive somebody who has wronged us, because we are often so caught up in our egos, inferior, superior, and ulterior, that forgiving seems like losing an egoistic battle. But at times, it's better to take the high road, both for ourselves and for the well-being of the other person too. Be the change you wish to see in the world. If you're not happy about anything around you, be willing to make that change within yourself first. Don't complain. Complaining won't take you anywhere. Nothing changes unless you change your corner of the world. Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. True strength is not the result of physical exertion. It is measured by the unbeatable will to overcome the challenges in life through hard work. If you really wish to achieve something and have that indomitable spirit, you will be able to do it. And there lies your greatest strength. Freedom is not worth having it if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. Perfection is only what we can attempt to achieve, but being human is to err. We don't need to be so hard on ourselves. Enough freedom to take some risk and commit some mistakes is necessary to progress in life. So forgive yourself. Learn from your past experiences. Try again and keep going. Nobody can hurt me without my permission. We get hurt if we let others control our thoughts and emotions, or if we bind ourselves with expectations, or we are not sincere. So if we maintain cordiality and sincerity without expectations and any purpose, we will never be hurt by anyone, as we will be in control of our emotions and feelings. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Seize the moment. Do the things you love and live without regret. Don't postpone because tomorrow is unpredictable. But be a lifelong learner. Learn from your success as well as failures. It's never too late to learn something new, because there is always something that will help you change your perspective, and hence keep your minds open and live life to the fullest. Gandhiji and Gandhianism are always more than what we know. Gandhiji's political contributions offered us independence, but his ideologies enlightened the whole world even today, after so many years. Today is a great day for India as the country celebrates 151st birth anniversary of the father of nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Not only that, but the world celebrates the auspicious day as International Day for Non-Violence, to pay respect and acceptance to the true spirit of non-violence promoted by Gandhiji throughout his life. Every individual thus should follow the key Gandhian ideologies in their day-to-day life for a happy, prosperous, healthy, harmonious and sustainable future.